Hi guys, really quick one off the back of a number of questions that we received from parents asking about the privacy settings on Roblox. So we decided to do another quick video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to enable the parent PIN and fine-tune those privacy settings on Roblox. So let me show you how to enable the parent PIN in 60 seconds on Roblox. Okay, let's go right ahead and do a quick step-by-step guide today on how you enable the parent PIN on Roblox. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to visit roblox.com and log in with your email address and your password. From here, you're going to go to the right-hand side of the screen and you're going to click on the little cog wheel. From here, you're going to choose Settings, and then you're going to want to choose Parental Controls. Now you can see here that the parent PIN is in fact disabled. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go right ahead and we're going to enable the parent PIN. Now the purpose of doing this is that any changes that you make to the privacy settings on Roblox cannot be undone without the PIN number. So I highly recommend that all parents, if you've got children and young people who are playing Roblox, that you have your parent PIN enabled and switched on so that you can fine tune those privacy settings to a level that you are comfortable with. So let's go right ahead and turn it on. It's going to ask you to create a 4-digit PIN code, and then it's going to ask you to confirm that 4-digit PIN code, and then simply click Add. That will then turn on the parent PIN on your Roblox account. So there you have it, folks. I hope you found that video today useful and helpful. Please don't forget, if you would like access to the full video today on Roblox, how you fine tune those privacy settings on Roblox, please do click on the link below where you can find out a little bit more information about how you get access to the full video, as well as access to all of my helpful online safety videos and digital wellbeing resources today.